Hello, this week I updated the scene selection menu. Now I have two huge screens in the middle of the room and I have additional buttons at the side, and with the help of those buttons I can select between different examples which could be loaded. I could reuse a lot of code I coded before, and I didn't want to frame the whole wall with example scenes. I decided I wanted to have one single big screen considering the preview and being able to switch between specific examples. And so I could also edit in the future the selection of the screen scenes much easier. In the future, I'm thinking on the left screen could be played a movie which is specific for each scene. On those movies, a person could explain the specifics of certain scenes, certain circuits. The one bug at this specific scene at the ammeter is still existing. I am also working on an additional theme. With the help of this theme, the user should be able to see how the values are being calculated, which are being needed for certain parts of the circuit. Right now I'm working on the back end, so there isn't much to see. I improvised and took the interpolated positions of the original waypoint areas. It appears that this attempt was a failure because in the end I need many more waypoints, and I also wanted to have the potential values and also the resistance values of specific parts of the cables, and so I had to start from scratch again considering this part. I'm considering these are all placeholders at the moment, and one day I'd like also to create a nice looking arrow, a function creating those arrows looking more professional. But considering the time, I'd like to produce something like a proof of concept, and I'm working on and hope there will be more soon. Okay, here you see the more recent version where I have the exactly points, and I have more values I could use, like the potential values at specific points, but I didn't find the time to implement those ideas now. Okay, thanks for watching.